Alright, hey you guys, I was just testing out this new thing, and I finally got this fucking thing right. So, sound 3 and apparently sound 7 go together, so I don't know what the fuck's wrong with that, but, as you can fucking, why did that go up? As you can see, 7 and 3. So, I'm gonna see if I can mix them together, and I'm gonna adjust the strobe light, obviously. As you can see, you can go from slow to fast, so here's slow. The slowest is here. And if you want to go all the way up to fast, you can barely see it on this shit, but it barely goes, so. Yeah, so let's go.